Good morning. In this video we are going to see about BODMAS. BODMAS is nothing but BODMAS is the shortest form that helps the children remember the order of mathematic operation. We have to remember the order of mathematic operation. The mathematic operation is nothing but fundamental mathematic operations are addition, subtraction, division, multiplication. These are the basic mathematical operation we are using in BODMAS. The BODMAS gives the correct order to solve the mathematical problem. This gives us the correct order in which we have to solve the mathematical problems. The BODMAS stands for, first one, B stands for brackets. Brackets, there are different types of bracket. First one is the square bracket, second one is the curly bracket, and third one is the small bracket. These are the bracket we are using in BODMAS problem. Example, 10 into 3 plus 1. First we need to solve the brackets. So it becomes 10 into 3 plus 1, that is 4. Then 10 into 4. It gives 10 into 4 gives 40. Second one, O stands for order. The order is nothing but the power values. That is x power 5, x square, then root values, square root of 2, square root of 3, like this. Then we have to solve the power values. That is example, 5 plus 2 square. We need to solve first power values. That is 2 square is 4. It gives 5 plus 4 is 9. Then D stands for division. Then we have to solve the division values in the problem. That is example, 10 plus 6 divided by 2. We have to solve here the division value first. That is 10 plus 6 divided by 2. It gives 1 2s are 2, 3 2s are 6. It becomes 10 plus 3, that is 13. Then M stands for multiplication. We have to solve the multiplication terms next. That is 10 minus 4 into 2. We have to solve the multiplication term first. So it becomes 10 minus 4 2s are 8. Then we have to solve the 10 minus 8, subtract. Then 10 minus 8 value is 2. Then A stands for addition. The addition is nothing but, then we have to solve the addition term. That is 10 into 4 plus 7. In this we have to solve first the bracket term. First we have to start from bracket. That is 10 into 4 is 40. 40 plus 7. It gives 47. Then S stands for subtraction. Example, 10 divided by 2 minus 3. First we have to solve the division term. Here the division is 10 divided by 2 minus 3. It becomes 1, 5. That is 5 minus 3 gives 2. Then we have to subtract. 5 minus 3 equal to 2. This is the BODMAS stands for, and we see one example problem in this. This is the example problem. They are given 9 plus curly bracket 6 plus 7 of 3 minus bracket small bracket 9 plus 2 minus 6 divided by 2. Small bracket close பண்ணிருக்காங்க. Small bracket close and curly bracket. In this we have to see, of means it represents multiplication. Here there is more than one bracket. So we have to start from the innermost bracket. So we need to solve small bracket first. So that means small bracket 9 plus 2 minus 6 divided by 2. Here on small bracket we have to start from the division term first. So it gives 9 plus 2 minus 6 divided by 2. This gives 9 plus 2 minus 3. Then we need to do addition. After that only we need to do subtraction. That is 9 plus 2 is 11. 11 minus 3. This gives 8. We have solved the small bracket first. The value of small bracket is 8. Then we have to go for curly bracket. That is, the value of small bracket is 8. Then we have to solve the curly bracket. We have to solve curly brackets again. The curly bracket is 6 plus 7 into 3 minus 8. We have to do here the multiplication first. So 7 3s are 21 minus 8. Then we need to do addition. That is 6 plus 21. Then we need to do addition. 6 plus 21 is 27 minus 8. Then 27 minus 8 is 19. We have solved the curly brackets. The value of curly bracket is 19. Then we have to substitute 9 plus 19. This is the value of curly bracket. Then final answer is 28. This is the way we can solve the BODMAS problem using the rule. Thank you.